Are you struggling to take your online business to the next level? Can you imagine reaching millions of potential customers in just a few seconds? Well, what if I told you there is a platform where you can do just that? Stay tuned as we dive into the world of TikTok and unlock all the secrets you need to skyrocket your online business. Did you know that, according to Nielsen Canada's analysis, TikTok ads are not only working better, but also selling more? In 2022, TikTok improved its ROIs by 30%, and it boosted its total sales by 58 per 1,000 impressions compared to 2021. Simply said, it means that for every dollar invested in TikTok, it yields $2 in return, showing that they're more effective at driving sales. It's also important to note that TikTok is the fastest growing channel for product discovery, with nearly 15% of product discoveries that began on TikTok. Just a year ago, that number was 4%, so TikTok's influence is growing rapidly. This means that when launching new products, services, or brands, TikTok is a growing source of discovery. You can check by yourself what are the best-selling TikTok's product daily if you want to. We'll add the link in the description. Before we get started, please note that we're trying to give you the latest, most updated version of how things work. But as we know, things can change fast. TikTok has a lot of untapped potential, so it's moving fast. Let's see the different types of ads you can do. There are 4 types of TikTok ads, which are in-feed ads, top view ads, branded hashtag challenge, and branded effects ad. Let's start with the in-feed ads. Those are native ads that appear seamlessly within a user's For You page. In-feed ads blend in with organic content and are displayed as short videos between user-generated videos as the users scroll through their feed. In-feed ads on TikTok typically last from 5 to 15 seconds and autoplay with sound. For You feed features videos that the algorithm believes are of interest to the user based on their app activity. They offer a highly engaging format with CTAs for businesses to showcase their product, services, or brand messages to TikTok's diverse and active user base. Now, let's talk about Top View ads. Top View is a video ad that is shown to users upon opening TikTok. It is shown before any other TikTok videos. So Top View is a high-impact, full-screen and sound-on video that showcases your brand. The Top View experience launches within a 3-second video takeover before reintroducing the native in-feed video experience with icons and interactions elements. Following the 3 seconds takeover, Top View engage the audiences with multiple interaction and destinations, including like, comment, share, brand account on page, visit, music page, and more. It's important to note that Top View is currently only available to qualified customers. You may need to contact a TikTok sales representative for more information if you want to activate it. We can also mention branded hashtag challenge. TikTok branded hashtag challenge leverage the platform's viral nature by inviting users to participate in a specific challenge associated with a branded hashtag. These ads work effectively when integrated with other ad formats or campaigns. However, one challenge of this ad format is the risk of unrelated content flooding the hashtag, diluting the brand's message. But despite this, branded hashtag challenges offer ample user-generated content for brands to repurpose and share, contributing to extending the brand's visibility and engagement on TikTok. Finally, there are also branded effect ads. Branded effect ads capitalize on the platform love for filters and augmented reality experience, that we also know as AR. Brands can create custom stickers, AR filters, and lenses, fostering the user-generated content and spreading awareness for campaigns, particularly those with meaningful missions. TikTok Effect House streamlines the production of custom branded effects, enhancing accessibility for brands. It may be a great idea to create your own stickers, for example. Now that we're clear about the different types of campaigns, let's see how you can easily set one up. First, we need to enable TikTok's integration for Shopify. Other platforms like Wix and WordPress are okay too, but we're going to take Shopify for example here. Install the TikTok app on the Shopify store, and then utilize the automated ad creation option. Then enable a shopping tab on your TikTok profile, if you're eligible, in your selected countries. Before we keep going, you need to know that the ads run on TikTok Ads Manager have 3 different parts: the campaign, ad groups, and the ad themselves. And a campaign can include 1 or more ad groups, so you need to do as follows. Step 1. Create an advertiser account. Simply log in your TikTok account and go to this address to start the process. You'll need to provide basic information about your business, including the country, the industry, the legal business name, your time zone, your phone number, the currency, and you also need to agree to the terms before you click to register. After that, you'll need to set up your billing information. And finally, you can build your first campaign. There are 2 types of campaign: simplified mode and custom mode. Here, we're going to choose custom mode, for example. Step 2. Choose the right objective. Before you create an ad, it is important to first consider what your business goals are. Your advertising's objectives is what you want people to do when they see your ads. So selecting the right objective is important for a campaign. For example, if your goal is to get more visitors to your website, you would want to choose the specific objective for traffic. If your goal was to get as many eyeballs as possible on your new brand, you would select the reach objective. For a Shopify store, we choose website conversion for a campaign objective. All objectives fall under 3 categories according to TikTok's: awareness, consideration, and conversion. Now step 3. Set up a campaign name and budget. You can set up the campaign name as you like, so long as it's within character limit, of course. For the campaign budget, it's up to you to set a specific amount that you're willing to spend for running your ads. Based on the amount you set, your campaign will stop running when it hits the budget. The benefits of a campaign budget are that it helps you better allocate your marketing budget, control your ad delivery, and measure your ad performance. If you're not sure how much you're willing to spend on a campaign, don't worry. You can always edit your budget later or even create another campaign. You can select either a daily budget or a lifetime budget. This way, your ad delivery will be limited by the daily budget or the total budget at the campaign level. This means that your daily spend or total spend of all the ads within the campaign will not exceed this amount. Now for part 4, we need to create an ad group. After creating a campaign, you will need to set up your ad group. There is an ad group creation limit of 999 ad groups per campaign. It's a lot, but still, be careful about that. At the ad group level, you can define the placements, the target audience, the budget, and the schedule, but also the bidding method and optimization. Let's see that step by step to keep things easy, okay? Step 1, the placements. When you create an ad group, you're able to choose where you want your ads to appear. TikTok calls the places where your ads show as placements. TikTok suggests selecting automatic placements so that the system will optimize your ad delivery across all placements to reach more people and drive more traffic instead of choosing select placement. Then for step 2, targeting. Targeting on TikTok's Ads Manager offers numerous options, including creating or excluding a custom audience or a lookalike audience. There are also demographic and device options for you to narrow your audience, including the age, the gender, the interest, the operating system, the carrier, and so on. You can customize this as much as you want. Step 3. Budget and schedule. In the budget and schedule section, you need to select the timing and budget for your ad. For the budget, whether you set a daily budget or a lifetime budget of at least $20, your ad spend for the ad group will not exceed this budget. Under schedule, you can set the starting and ending time for your ads. You can choose a date range to run your ad or continuously run your ad after the start date. Step 4. Bidding and optimization. Here, you can select your bidding process and optimization options and input third-party tracking links to monitor ad performance. It's better to leave this part at default if you're not familiar with all this to avoid making any mistakes. Once your ad group is created, the start date, optimization goal, conversion event, and the smart optimization cannot be changed, so be sure to double check. After you finished your ad group setup, click Next, and you'll be taken to the ad creation page to create an ad. Alright, so now we can finally talk about the ad creating itself. Here, you first need to enter the ad name. Input what you want to call your ad. Choose a name that helps you distinguish between ads within your ad group. The ad name is only for your reference, and it's not part of the ad, so don't worry about it. After you found a fitting name, you can select your ad format. It's important to note that TikTok currently only supports video ads, so make sure to have the right materials before you get started. After the ad name, we need to add the ad details. In ad media, there is 3 options for uploading your media. Choose the one you want and note that all the media will be stored in the assets automatically. Then, you'll just need to choose a thumbnail. You need to choose a cover photo that will grab your audience's attention. You can upload your custom cover photo or choose one from one of the pre-selected images from your video, based on the length of the video. You can choose from up to 8 displayed keyframes. To finish setting your ad up, you have to enter your text and your link. Those are quite important, as they will be displayed with your ad. The display name is all about your brand's identity. Choose a name that is consistent with the promoted website or your app. The text you enter will appear as part of your ad's creative itself, and it will be displayed to your audience to tell them what you are promoting. Select it carefully and choose your words wisely. The call to action part, that we also know as CTA, is all about telling your audience what you'd like them to do when they see your ad. For the profile image, this represents your brand's image and it will be shown to your ad's creative. Then, you just need to enter the URL of the website you want to drive traffic to. This URL will only be available with specific objectives. So now, it's time to preview your ad. It's good to note that these ad previews are not device specific, and the ads are adjusted based on a user's device and network condition. So just like that, your ad is done. You can click the submit button to create your ad. Let's talk about the tips and practice you can follow for your ad to be successful. TikTok regularly picks the best ads. So if you want to check what works, you can check the first pinned comment below. There are a couple of things you need to keep in mind when you create your ad. The first one is keep it short and engaging. The average TikTok user has a very short attention span, so keep your ads short. Try to aim for ads that are 15 to 30 seconds long maximum. You should also use eye-catching visuals and vibrant colors to grab their attention. Second, use the current trends and challenges. Stay up to date with the trending hashtags, challenges, and memes on TikTok to know what's going on. Try to incorporate popular trends into your ad to create increasing engagement. You can also participate in the challenges relevant to your brand to boost your visibility. Third, make sure to use captivating visuals and music. Creating visually appealing content with high-quality images or videos is a must. Try using catchy music or sounds that align with your brand and resonate with your audience. You should also experiment with TikTok's built-in editing tools and use various effects to make your ads stand out even more. And finally, include a clear and strong call to action. Engage with your viewers and make them take action by including a clear CTA in your ad. Encourage your user to visit your website, shop now, or follow your TikTok account to create a strong base of followers. But keep the CTA short and compelling to drive the conversions. As we've seen, creating a TikTok ad for your dropshipping business is not that complicated, but it does require you to follow a lot of different steps. You need to first choose the type of TikTok ads you want to use, set up your campaign, create your ad group, and then create your ad. There are a lot of possibilities. And as we said at the beginning, with TikTok's impressive return on ad spending, it might be quite worthy for you to give it a try. With DSers' new integration to TikTok, you'll also be able to process all your new orders even faster than before. We'll release more videos focusing on TikTok in the near future, so make sure to subscribe. If you have any question, please let us know in the comments. And as always, happy dropshipping.